Imagine explorers you are traveling with millions of people, all going to one special place chosen by Allah. But this journey is not easy. It's full of tests, stories, and powerful moments.
We seek your
Today,
mercy and
you are joining the Hajj journey. Ready? Close your eyes for a second. Imagine you are standing in a huge crowd, everyone moving toward the Kaaba. Let the journey begin. Step 1. Ihram and Intention. You start your journey by wearing simple clothes, but this is not just clothing. This is called Ihram, a special state of purity. No brands, no fashion, no rich, no poor. Everyone looks the same. But here's the challenge. Can you stay calm? No arguing, no anger, only peace? And you begin to say, Labbaik Allahumma Labbaik. Here I am, O Allah. Step 2. Tawaf. And then you see it. The Kaaba, the house of Allah, the most special place for Muslims.
praise be to
What would you feel seeing it for the first time?
Allah is the great.
Now, pilgrims begin Tawaf. Tawaf is walking around the Kaaba 7 times. Millions of people moving together for one Allah. But why do they do this? To show love, obedience, and to worship Allah alone. Everyone moving together in one direction, like one united circle. All hearts connected to Allah. Step 3. Safa and Marwah. Now comes a special part of Hajj called Sa'i. Pilgrims walk between 2 small hills, Safa and Marwah, back and forth 7 times. But why do they do this? To remember the bravery of Hajra, who ran between these hills to find water for her baby, trusting Allah to help her. So Muslims do the same walk to remember her faith, her patience, and her trust in Allah. This is called Sa'i. If you were there, would you keep going, even when it's hard? Sa'i teaches us, never give up, and always trust Allah. Step 4. Mina. Next, pilgrims travel to Mina, a valley filled with white tents. Millions of people stay here together, praying, resting, and preparing. But preparing for what? For the most important day of Hajj. Step 5. Arafah. Now, the journey continues. From Mina, pilgrims travel to a huge open land called Arafah, a place filled with people from all over the world. And in this land stands a small hill called Mount Arafat, also known as Jabal ar-Rahmah, the Mount of Mercy. This is a very special place because this is where Prophet Muhammad stood and gave his final message, a message of unity, truth, and Islam. This day is called the Day of Arafah, and it is the most important day of Hajj. On this day, Allah forgives sins and accepts sincere prayers. Pilgrims stand here, raising their hands, making dua to Allah, asking for forgiveness, mercy, and guidance. If you were standing here, what would you ask Allah? This moment is called wukuf, standing before Allah. And without it, Hajj is not complete. Step 6. Muzdalifah. After Arafah, the sun begins to set, pilgrims travel to a place called Muzdalifah. Here, they pray together, Maghrib and Isha, and then they rest under the open sky. No tents, no beds, just the ground and the stars. They also collect small pebbles for something important coming next. Step 7. Rami and Eid. The next day, pilgrims return to Mina. They throw 7 small pebbles at the largest pillar. This is called Rami. It reminds us to reject shaitan and choose what is right and choose Allah. After this comes Eid al-Adha, a day of celebration and gratitude. Step 8. Qurbani and haircut. Pilgrims offer a sacrifice called Qurbani to remember Prophet Ibrahim and his obedience to Allah. Then, men shave or trim their hair, and women trim a small part of their hair. This shows the completion of an important part of Hajj. Step 9. Tawaf, al-Ifadah, and Sa'i. After that, pilgrims return to Mecca. They perform Tawaf again, walking around the Kaaba 7 times, and also complete Sa'i, running between Safa and Marwah 7 times. This is an essential part of Hajj. Step 10. Final days in Mina. Then pilgrims go back to Mina for the next 2 or 3 days. They throw pebbles at 3 pillars, each time reminding themselves to stay away from evil. Step 11. Farewell Tawaf. Before leaving Mecca, pilgrims return to the Kaaba one last time. They perform a final tawaf before leaving. One last tawaf. A final goodbye to the Kaaba. A farewell to this sacred journey. A moment they will never forget. Before we finish, here's a small fact. There are 3 ways to perform Hajj: Ifrad, Qiran, and Tamattu. All include the same steps, just in a slightly different order. But the goal is the same: to worship Allah. Hajj is not just a journey. It is faith, patience, unity, and trust in Allah.
You are with the patient.
One day, inshallah, you will stand there too. And when you do, may your heart be full of faith and your prayers accepted. Assalamu alaikum.